All right, this tutorial is about undoing and redoing things on Word, on on your documents, anything that you're working on, anything that requires typing. For Windows, what you would do is you would press Ctrl+Z on the keyboard. Right? Let me open the virtual keyboard. For that, you have to press Ctrl, Windows, and O on your keyboard, and this will pop up. This is just for demo, but for you, you don't have to do that. You can just press. Um, the Control and Z. Control is this, and then G is this. Letter Z. Okay. Um, so let me just type something on the documents. Um, let's type Windows, and I'll just type extra S just for the demo, and then I will do Control Z. That will delete the extra letter S for me. And then let's say I want to redo it. For that, I'll have to press Control on the keyboard and Y. That will bring back the S letter for me, right? Let's say I want to write hello and space. I will do Control G. That should wipe up the hello. If I do Control Y, that will bring back the hello for me. And then similarly, you'll do the same thing on the Mac. On the keyboard itself, to undo, you'll press Command G, right? And then to redo it, you press Command Shift and Z, right? And then this is the documentation from Apple. They'll say the same thing. To undo, you'll press the Command and G. To redo, you'll press Shift, Command and G, and I'll do the undo and redoing for you. Okay. All right. Thank you.